Hello, I'm Kyle O'Shea, Senior Product Manager at TileDB, the database designed for discovery. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Carrara's logical organization and descriptive metadata of your raw data in cloud storage to browse thousands, if not millions, of data sets so you can find exactly what you need in seconds and not hours. So, you're looking for that single cell data set from last week, or was it 2 weeks ago? Your blob storage comes from a range of different systems and pipelines. It's typically a maze of auto-generated file names with no context. Even worse, it's not easy to add metadata to these files without copying or overwriting existing data. It's inefficient and it can be costly, especially for large files. Without metadata or proper organization, finding the right dataset means opening files one by one, hoping you stumble upon what you're looking for. Now imagine your data organized, searchable, and enriched with metadata, but all in one unified platform. Let's take a look at these raw files in TileDB. Carrara doesn't just catalog your files. Once you've got them into the system, you can organize everything into team spaces and folders. And on TileDB, we can edit file names, and add descriptions. TileDB doesn't just store files, it understands them. It has built-in previews for many common data types such as CSVs, as we've just seen, HTML reports with full interactivity, and many more. Assets can be enriched with arbitrary metadata, system and/or user-generated, ensuring key information is trapped, making sure everything is discoverable regardless of the scale that your catalog reaches. And if you need to optimize your raw data for storage or query performance, or to combine different types of data, you can do all of this on TileDB. Your single cell data becomes TileDB Soma, your population genomics data, TileDB VCF, and even your imaging data becomes instantly queryable. Now back to search and discovery. Let's say you need that analysis from last week. Simple filters inside the team space help you find exactly what you were working on. But what if the data you need isn't yours? You can expand your search across the entire workspace to discover what your colleagues have been working on. You can combine text search with Boolean operators to search with intent. And if you need specific experimental conditions, you can also conditionally query metadata like cell count, QC status, tissue type, or any custom metadata that your team uses. Every keystroke refines your search. No more waiting for queries to run, see your results evolve in real time. And your search returns everything, from raw files, structured modalities, analysis notebooks, and everything else in your catalog, all from this one query. Click any result to dive deeper. You can browse assets, view metadata, schemas, without downloading anything. And here you've discovered that your colleague has created this Soma object from raw data generated by the team's pipelines. And you can build on their work instead of starting from scratch. Catalog objects can be referenced from your notebooks, and you can visualize insights right here in the catalog alongside your data, where it can be reused or extended or combined with other analyses and data in the team space. Now what started as a simple search becomes a discovery. Find unexpected connections between datasets across your organization. So from search to analysis in under a minute, this is how modern scientists should work with data. With Carrara, scientists can work with one tool, no need to interface with different systems. It's all here: the catalog, the search, and collaboration. No more data archaeology, no more lucky guesses, just fast, intelligent search that connects you to the insights that you need. Ready to unlock the power of intelligent data search? Discover TileDB Carrara today.